Hey everybody, MLToys here with our Wheelie Bar Crutch Kit. This kit allows you to create a wheelie bar for your ride-on vehicle using a standard crutch. Now, we don't include the crutch in the kit. What we have found is crutches are very readily available for free. We got these crutches by going onto our town's Facebook page and just asking for aluminum crutches, and people are very happy to give them up for free. There are different sizes and brands of crutches. We built this one just so it'll fit for show with kid-size crutches. We do find adult crutches are probably a little better. This one's a little bit short, I think, for most people's mounting needs. So I'd recommend looking for an adult crutch or get a variety and see what fits your car best. It's a very simple setup. So we'll start at this end of the crutch. We took the pad off. You don't need a pad on there. We do like keeping this brace on here because it helps keep it rigid. Same thing with the center section. Just take off the hand pad, keep the center brace on there. And then at this end, we basically took the foot off. Over here you have, on this model, there's two rivets. These things are soft aluminum. They're very easy to cut off with a Dremel tool. You could sit there with pliers and get them off or hammer them out. But take these two off so this end cap comes off. When you get the end cap off, that's this piece here, you can then flip it back over and that becomes the upper brace of your wheelie bar. You can then adjust the length of this to fit your car so that the main goal is you're going to drill 4 3/8 inch holes underneath the car and through the wheelie bar. I would do the wheelie bar first, then use that to mark the bottom of the car and get that mounted underneath the car. And then wherever you want this, the higher up you get this, the more strength it's going to have. And this is again a 3/8 inch hole that you drill. Again, crutches are soft aluminum, really easy to drill through. Very important to get this hole at dead 90 degrees to help the mounting on the car. This one we got a little bit off, but it still fit onto the test car that we put it onto. And really that's mostly it. At this end we use a 5/16 inch uh, bolt. The wheels we're using are Razor 100 wheels. Do not use cheap Chinese imitation wheels. We got guys running these cars up to 40 miles an hour on drag strips, and these wheels, cheap wheels are not designed for that speed. Even a Razor 100 doesn't go that fast normally. So you want to use the best quality stuff. Put it on once so you don't have a wheel degrade on you. You just tighten this bolt down enough to hold the wheel on. They fit pretty perfectly in here without the bolt even being all the way tight. And that's kind of it. This is really, really simple. It's a low barrier to entry to get your kid into drag racing. Yes, you can build one with adjustable hime joint linkages and all. And we may make a kit to do that as well. But man, what a simple, cost-effective way to put a wheelie bar onto your Power Wheels. So this kit is now available on the MLToys website. Go fast.